everybody, it's Jody, and I'm here with my friend Ann.
Hi.
And she started as a client, and it was over a year ago that we started working together. Ann had a home to sell, and she wanted to have something that was a little easier she didn't have to worry about snow plowing, she didn't have to worry about landscaping anymore. She wanted just a little bit of easier living. So we just wanted to talk about her journey and what the process was like, in case somebody here's thinking about doing the same thing. The lessons we learned, what it was like to work together. We're just going to have a conversation.
Sounds good. Well, first of all, I want to say that Jody made the process so easy, because I lived in my house for 60 years and I wasn't sure whether I wanted to sell and go into a condo. But at the age of 83 next month, I didn't want to put out my barrels anymore, even though my neighbors are very good, but I hate to count on people. I wanted to hire people, but nobody shovels today. And it was 11 rooms, my house. So I had to sell it. And like I said, Jody made it very easy for me. It was a lot of work.
It was, yeah.
And thank God for my kids, because they helped an awful lot too. But now that I'm in my condo, I love it, love it, love it. And I should have done it years ago.
Well, I remember the early process. I remember when we first sat down and when we went through the house and we talked about, what to pack up, what to keep, and you had good instincts anyway, and just had a beautifully and immaculate home. You were the easiest of sellers and buyers, because you're strategic. I feel like we were a good team, and it's nice when it works out that way.
Yeah. I think just meeting you, you're a warm person, you're a people person, that just clicked. It just clicked.
Yeah.
And now it's turned into friendship, which I love.
Yes, that's the best part of it.
Yeah.
I always tell people they never get rid of me. I stick around.
That's a good thing.
Was there anything about the process of selling and buying that was surprising to you, that you wish you would have known beforehand?
I think it was the capital gain, even though you had mentioned it to me, and I did talk to my contact person. I think it's biting me now, and my kids are working on it. It's very hard to get numbers and figures for different things. That happened 60 years ago.
Yeah.
Because I don't have them. Google doesn't have them.
Right.
Nobody has them. So what my kids are compiling for me is estimates, and that's the only thing we can do. So that after I bought and sold, but it would have happened anyway, because 11-room house for one person is too big.
Yeah, and it's nice to be all on one level now.
I don't mind the steps. In fact, I have steps right here going down to the garage.
Yeah.
And I'm using them.
Nice.
Because I feel if you don't use it, you lose it.
That's a good point.
And I can do the steps, so I'm doing them.
Yeah.
And we have a gym downstairs, which I will be using now.
Yeah. And I know we were talking earlier about I saw the flyer. There's a party at the end of the month.
Yeah. There is so much going on in this building that you know, with me just moving in, I haven't gone to half the stuff, but they have an awful lot of stuff that is just wonderful.
Yeah.
So I don't feel alone. I feel very secure in here because we have 24 beds downstairs and we have cameras. So it is just wonderful for me.
Yeah. And I love that you have the garage space and the elevator. One of the questions that I get a lot from people is when they're thinking about selling and buying at the same time. And it's so tricky with the inventory being so low. And that was one of the things that we talked about and we prepared for, we did our research on. And you know, I appreciated that you saw the big picture. You saw that in order to get the place that you wanted, you needed to get everything ready. So you had it staged, you went through things, we went and got all the pictures, we had the listing sheet ready, everything was ready to go. So that when we saw a condo here, because we knew this was your high priority complex, when we saw a condo here, we could get your offer in and let them know your home was priced well, it was ready to go, we press a button so that they felt comfortable moving forward with you as a buyer.
It is not easy because you need a place to live. I didn't want to put my furniture in storage because it's a lot of furniture. And it's like you're paying for storage, you're paying for rent. So it's hard, but you need a good real estate agent to make it work.
We did it.
We did do it.
We did it.
Yeah, it was. And let's do it. And I said, Jody, this is it. And I think when we both walked in here the first time, we knew that this was the place.
Yeah, well, Anne, thank you. I appreciate you and thank you for taking time to share with us.
I appreciated what you did for me. I really do. You made it so easy. And it's not easy to buy and sell a house, especially a single person.